Wszystko dobrze. Hope you guys are all doing great today. I'm working on my pose. I can work and get a little bit better, but I'm working on it. I'm here in Poznan, in case you missed yesterday. Very beautiful day. It's not too hot. I'm really excited to be here. Yesterday was a long night, so bear with me a little bit. This is a very energetic town. It's very concentrated from what I've learned. A lot of people like all together, so it's been really cool meeting people. But I'm here, beautiful day. Clouds are nice, sky's nice. I have a friend that I might be meeting who used to live here, or they do live here. They're here, and I'm gonna meet up with them in the square, and then, yeah, no plan. Square here in Poznan, and I guess what I was trying to say earlier is like, it's just, I don't know how to describe it. It's I don't know, but I really like Poznan. I was talking with someone earlier today, and we were saying like Poznan's really nice because, you know, this wasn't my words, it was theirs, but it made me really think. You know, they said that they were living in Warsaw before, but they moved to Poznan because Poznan was so much more concentrated, and they're a solo traveler as well. And when you're a solo traveler traveling, one thing that's really difficult sometimes is to meet the local people. And in a big city where everyone's moving and there's a lot of space and it's really open, it can be hard to meet people. You know, and they said they moved here to Poznan because here in Poznan, it was just so compact and concentrated. It was easier to meet people, easier to go places, and wow. Okay, and people walking around, and people that are actually the same size as me. But no, Poznan is yeah, Poznan's a thumbs up. Why didn't you guys tell me about this place before? It's, yeah, Poznan is this is the symbol. In the vlog, I'm not even sure what to say because I'm so impressed with the city. And I've only been in the center. I know people are watching, Luke, you haven't seen anything. But here, like in this square, it's just like, yeah, Poznan it's nice. I think I like it mainly because, you know, I can't just walk down the same exact street, you know, because it's just, you know, in Warsaw, I'm down Nowy and a lot of places. So I like places that have a lot of little streets. And even here in the square, you can spend 30 minutes just walking around the square and not even people won't even recognize you're walking past the same place every time. Very impressed. Poznan, thumbs up. It's crazy. I've literally been here in the square for like, I don't know, I want to say like 30 minutes, and there's just so much to see. Not weird if I'm talking to my camera like this? No.
Oh my god, That's what you have to do.
Okay, just making sure. Oh, I'm with the tour guide. So this is how I'm learning all about Poznan right now. And if you guys want to know why I'm so tired. And in Poznan, if you go to this corner right here, probably on Saturdays or the weekends, they give you free Coca-Cola. Okay, I'm officially in love with Poznan. It's official. You guys come to Poznan, go to the fountain. Concert here.
Concert is at 9:30 p.m. It's like a jazz concert. But then there's a silent disco with.
Okay, so apparently this festival is like for peace, but it's not Malta like the country of Malta, like the island, the rocky island. It's Malta, the lake that's here in Poznan. It's not here in the center. It's a little bit outside of the center, and this place is here until the 30th. And they have like silent disco. They have a festival. They have everything you could think of here, and it's named after the lake. And they used to have the festival at the lake, but now it's here in the center. Boom, I know my history. But now going to okay, we're trying to make it to the park, still haven't made it yet. Too much cool stuff going on here. Wow, all I can say is Poznan is amazing. It's been a really chill day. It's kind of hard because I'm like doing things, I'm talking to people, and I'm trying to vlog at the same time and explore the city, but it's like really amazing, as you guys can see. I'm here for a while, so I'm kind of like trying to take my time, but I've been so excited and so many things going on. Definitely the Malta Festival, if you guys are here until the 30th, if you're here until the 30th, definitely you need to go there. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm impressed with the city. I think this is probably one of the most impressed I've been with the city in a long time out of all the places I've seen. The last time, yes, because of you, because I had an amazing tour guide as well. But yeah, I think this is a good place to end the vlog, because it's gonna chill. I'm just gonna go around, I'm gonna really explore a little bit more, but putting the camera away. Thank you guys so much for watching, everyone, your comments and everything. It really means a lot to me. I've posted on Instagram, I've gotten a lot of messages from you guys. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to bring you guys here. Really excited to explore the rest of Poznan in the next coming days. But thank you guys so much again. Speak to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to